All right, so I got a mess here today. Took the Jeep out to Kentucky, did a little four-wheeling out in the Red River Gorge and did terrible things to this Jeep. And it is packed with mud everywhere. And my concern at this point, it's not really the mud on the body, that's the problem, but all the stuff underneath. And I was like, man, I am not crawling underneath there to get all that out of there. So we got in our undercarriage cleaner. So to pair that, I usually use a ZF for our auto detailing. That's about like a 2 gallon a minute at 1300 PSI. That's kind of my sweet spot for auto detailing, but that ain't going to cut it on this thing. That mud's on there, it dried, it's caked on, it's pretty hard to move. So when you're trying to remove material, it's the gallon flow that you want. So what I decided to switch over to, this is probably still a little overkill, but this one's going to be a 3 gallon or a 5 gallon a minute, 3500 PSI machine. I do have the capability for hot water on this, but I don't think I'm going to need it because I'm not really attacking any grease or oils or anything like that. But something in that higher volume, that 4, 5, 6 gallon a minute flow is going to be what you need. And the biggest reason for it is because the undercarriage cleaner here is running 4 nozzles. So those 4 nozzles, you know, it's size 2, so you got a 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's an equivalent of an 8 orifice. So when you change the size of that hole in the nozzle, it lowers your pressure. So I'm figuring between the 8 number 2s, the size nozzle 8, I could look it up on a chart, but probably going to push me at 5 gallon a minute around probably 2,000, 2,500 PSI. So that will knock this mud out from underneath the Jeep. I won't have to crawl underneath of it, and it will get it extremely satisfactory pretty easily. Let's get her on.